Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This time I will be drawing another character from My Hero Academia. This time it will be the turn for Izuku Midoriya to go ahead and have his chance at being drawn in my channel. As you guys can tell, I already have the sketch done and I'm working on the outline. Sorry for the shiny table, but I did it when I was working. But let's go ahead and see how this turns out, and also feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I do have a watermark added to the bottom right corner, as well as the subscribe channel is always there, so just go ahead and smash that.
Are you listening? Damn.
Here, just like with the old my drawing, I went ahead and used my Sharpie markers to go ahead and outline the very dark shadows of the drawing. As you guys can tell here in the palm, I already have everything kind of like outlined. I know where the shadows will be, so I just go with the Sharpie and go ahead and fill that out. moving over to the suit, I start with number 56 green, which I use for the darker parts of the suit, and number 57 for the highlights of the suit. Again guys, here is the finished drawing of Izuku Midoriya. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and help me out by giving it a like, sharing it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. I can see that about 99% of you guys watching are not subscribed to my channel, so just go ahead and do me a solid and subscribe for more cool videos like this one. But anyways, this is your boy Abby signing out.